Hi, beauties. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. A wonderful start today and a great weekend to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. Today's styles is for beautiful women over 50. So we can see this beautiful woman having her sauce of Tapered, and I just want you guys to see the transition and see how this hairstyle is gonna make her look younger. Not just younger, it's gonna take minutes of her age. And one thing I want you guys to know about this hairstyle is that sometimes if you really don't want to carry the sort of pepper or the gray hair, you can also go for the platinum, the glow. This is the platinum, and this is what we call the finger waves. Please, can somebody reach this woman like? Can somebody just tell me in the comment section how see, even she herself is even, feeling the haircut. She can feel her reaction. She feels good, with her hair. I just love the haircut because it really takes many years of her age. And one thing with the style is that kind of cut that can't give her that stress, like wake up and go out. Just wake up in the morning for you to reset it, you just have to. Use a bonnet and go to bed. All you do, just moisturize. All your shine and rest. Make it shine and go. Go. I also want you guys to also see this beautiful woman. See her before, having a voluminous hair. There's a long hair. I just want you guys to also see the transition from this long hair to the shorter hair. And I want you guys to also see the difference, like the long hair on her and the shorter hair. One thing I want you guys to have in mind is that short haircuts for women, making the beautiful women look unique. I always use the word unique because it makes you look different from other ladies or other women. That the older women or the seniors, it makes you look different from all of them. So that's one thing I love about this style. Because